So today is like -5 degrees out or something. That's great. And even though it's that cold, the water pump still makes this thing overheat. So guess we gotta put a new one in it today. So I'm gonna try to change it here, because literally when I pour water in, it comes straight out the water pump again. So we gotta change it here before we can drive it to the shop. So I'm gonna make up my own little workplace here, I guess. It's so cold outside, you gotta be careful you don't crack your fiberglass hood, okay? That stuff is really brittle. So if you see down here, it's pretty obvious that we got spaghetti sauce all over the place. It's because when it gets hot, it basically shoots water out the, I guess like water pump shaft, you would call it, and then out into the pulley wheel, and then it's just gonna get slinged all over the place. And you can also see it's still dripping down there. So, and then if you probably can see up here, we got some water here, and that's because the thermostat housing is leaking too. So, gonna pop this off, new gasket here, and new water pump, and hopefully it's gonna fix it. Well, the pump looks nice and clean, but yeah, it's probably just the rotor itself, or like the input shaft, if you will, that's done so. And I guess while we're at it, we can take this weird middle plate off. A double middle plate that Pontiac used for some reason. Weird design, just weird, but then we're just gonna wait for the new pump, which hopefully gonna arrive tomorrow, so that should be good. This next step, of course, gonna be thermostat housing. We're gonna remove that real quick. Now the camera most likely gonna slide down to the ground because it is on ice. I remember on my last engine, I think it was. No, it was this engine actually. I broke a stud in one of those holes. That was great. Good times. Very good times. P.S. If I drop a bolt down the PCV valve right now, just laugh, okay? Just laugh. Because I know I'm an idiot. Maybe the car overheated because I didn't put some Get It Done 91 octane in it and then start ignition knocking or something. I don't know. You never know with these old rigs. You never know. Budget car 101. You got more bolts when you're done. That's just rate reduction right there. Race car stuff. Oh yeah, that's right. We don't got a thermostat. Race car shit. So as you probably remember last year, well, if you're new to the channel, you probably don't. But I used this car for drifting like 4-6 events last year. Only drifting. I didn't do anything else with it. You know, we didn't care about it heating up or anything back then. Or like daily drivability or anything like that, so we just ran no thermostat. And then we can put a new gasket and thermostat in, and away we go. And away we go. So it's another day, 6 p.m. or so, the day before my birthday, by the way, 22nd December, so that's pretty cool. If we could get this running for my birthday. Anyway, got the new pump and it fits. That was the first thing I test fitted, okay, because I didn't want to do this video and then look like an absolute idiot. But there it is, new pump, actually looks pretty cool. In cast iron, and it's shipped with like this oil film on, so I guess like in a few days, gonna go to the shop, clean it off real quick, and then just clear coat it, because it looks pretty cool just cast iron, not gonna lie. Oh, and check this out, I actually did remember to get a thermostat, as I was mentioning. Boom, there you go, 160. Yes, a little bit on the cold side, but you know me, we're gonna see a lot of limiter, a lot of abuse, so rather be on the cold side than on the hot side. There we go, guys, thermostat is in, and in the right direction. Isn't that wonderful? I don't know, I caught something there. Crossfitted or not, we're just gonna send it. Free Okadogas. Well, it's one of those projects where you're like, I guess, you know, getting beaten by time. As you can see, it's almost night, right? And I'll go to put on the last thing, the pulley wheel, right? Can you guess what's wrong? So, pulley wheels go down here, over the snout. Look at how crooked that sits. It freaking hits the water pump's ribs over here. Basically what we gotta do is we gotta cut a piece out of this and out of this. That's too dumb. So it's time to hope that somewhere near around here I can get an ankle grinder. I don't know, I'm getting tired now. Well, there you have go, mates. After grinding down this middle rib, this middle rib, this middle rib, this metal rib, and this metal rib. Finally. It's a Christmas miracle, guys. It's a goddamn Christmas miracle. Well, who would have thought, huh? Started snowing the day before your birthday and everything, and the car's ready to drive now. That's freaking terrible. You buy a brand new water pump and you have to grind like 50 grams of cast iron off the goddamn thing. But hey, it works now. So, that's great. Let's somehow see if a guy can get a ride out here so I can get some goddamn coolant in the water, because I'm lost. I'm stuck out here on a goddamn old farm. It's like 7 PM now. So it's been dark for like 5 hours. I feel like I've been out here all night. Anyway, Europe things, Scandinavia things, I guess. Let's get this done. Well, there you go, guys. Only took 2 days waiting on parts and basically completely remachine a water pump, but got done, I guess. I guess all I can say is thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to see this greaseball do more stupid things in snow. I mean, I think this is my first wrenching video I ever done in snow, actually, so thank you for that, Firebird. Yeah, should be done now. Hopefully it works. I'm just gonna need somebody, my dad or somebody, to come here and give me a ride so I can get some fluid. Or somebody, I don't know. I might find some old bus driver sitting down here watching some funny videos on his iPhones. You know, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.